Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best voltage tester pens that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're an electrician, a DIY enthusiast, or a homeowner, finding the right voltage tester is critical for safety and efficiency. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At rank 5, we have the MX Corp voltage tester. This device stands out with its versatile 3 sensitivity modes, allowing users to detect voltage at low, medium, and high settings. The NCV sensing probe provides a non-contact method to check voltage in wires, outlets, and switches, making it a safe and convenient option for professionals and DIYers alike. It also features a detection light and flashlight, which are incredibly useful for working in dim environments or emergency situations. The compact design and pocket hook make it easy to carry around. In terms of design, the MX Corp tester feels sturdy and lightweight, weighing just 86 grams. Its orange casing is highly visible, which adds to its practicality on busy job sites. Performance-wise, it excels in identifying live or null wires and can pinpoint breakpoints in wiring with precision. The buzzer and indicator light system work well to give clear feedback. However, the auto power off feature, which activates after just 3 minutes of inactivity, might be inconvenient for some users who need extended operational time. While the MX Corp voltage tester is ideal for basic home use and light professional work, the lack of a price point and advanced certifications like CAT ratings may make it less appealing to those seeking high-end features. Its pros include affordability, convenience, and versatility, but users should be aware of limited battery life warnings and its relatively short auto-off time. Coming in at rank number 4 is the Klein Tools 80025 Outlet Tester Kit. This kit is a smart buy for anyone looking for a complete solution for electrical testing. It includes a GFCI tester and a non-contact voltage tester pen, combining 2 essential tools into one convenient package. The GFCI tester quickly identifies common wiring issues in standard and GFCI receptacles, while the pen provides non-contact voltage detection for outlets, circuit breakers, and switches. The LED indicators and beeping alarms ensure that results are clear and easy to interpret. In terms of build quality, Klein Tools maintains its reputation for durability. Both devices in this kit are compact and lightweight, making them portable and easy to store. The materials feel robust, and the testers are designed to handle daily wear and tear. Performance-wise, the GFCI tester is reliable and accurate, while the voltage tester pen offers a broad voltage detection range. However, the pen operates at slightly lower sensitivity compared to higher-end models, which might limit its use in detecting very low voltages. The Klein Tools 80025 kit is an excellent value proposition for homeowners, DIYers, and anyone troubleshooting basic electrical issues. At $23.26, it offers a strong balance of quality and affordability. The key pros include the inclusion of 2 tools in one kit and the trusted Klein Tools brand. The cons are its slightly limited voltage sensitivity and the lack of advanced professional-grade certifications. At rank number 3, we have the KAIWEETS voltage tester, which is packed with features designed for versatility and precision. This device offers dual voltage ranges, 12 volts to 1000 volts AC and 70 volts to 1000 volts AC, making it suitable for everything from low-voltage doorbells to high-voltage systems. Its LCD display is a standout feature, showing signal percentage and voltage intensity with color-coded feedback, red for live wires and green for null wires. The built-in flashlight is handy for dimly lit environments, and the automatic power-off feature helps conserve battery life. The design is compact, yet packed with functionality. At 86 grams, it's lightweight and easy to carry, with a pocket hook for added portability. The build quality feels solid, and the device is double insulated for safety. Performance-wise, the KAIWEETS voltage tester excels in breakpoint detection and offers high-frequency alarms for proximity to voltage sources. Its Cat 3 and Cat 4 ratings ensure it meets rigorous safety standards, making it suitable for professional use. While the KAIWEETS voltage tester is an impressive tool, its price is not readily available, which can be a drawback for consumers comparing costs. Pros include its advanced display, dual voltage ranges, and safety certifications. While cons include the lack of transparent pricing and slightly more complex operation due to its advanced features. This tester is perfect for electricians and serious DIYers looking for a reliable and feature-rich device. At rank number 2, we have the premium Fluke 1AC2 Volt Alert Voltage Tester. Fluke is a renowned brand in the electrical testing industry, and this tester lives up to its reputation. With a voltage detection range of 90 to 1000 volts AC, it's suitable for a wide variety of applications. The self-test feature ensures it's always working properly, and the Cat 4 safety rating means it's built for high-stakes professional environments. The audible beeper and glowing red tip provide clear feedback when voltage is detected, and users can switch to silent mode for quieter settings. The design is sleek and lightweight, weighing just 59 grams, making it easy to carry in your pocket. The build quality is exceptional, with Fluke's signature durability ensuring it can withstand professional use. Its continuous self-test feature is a major advantage, as it guarantees the tester is always functional, offering peace of mind to users. Performance-wise, it excels in reliability and safety, though its 90-volt minimum detection limit might not be ideal for lower voltage applications. The Fluke 1AC2 is a premium option at $37.49, but it justifies its price with advanced features and robust build quality. Its pros include exceptional durability, a wide voltage range, and industry-leading safety certifications. Cons include its higher price and limited use for low-voltage detection. It's the ideal choice for professional electricians and technicians who need a reliable and safe tester for demanding environments. Taking the top spot at rank number 1 is the Klein Tools NCVT1P voltage tester. The perfect blend of affordability and functionality. At only $19.97, this budget-friendly option offers non-contact voltage detection across a broad range of 50 volts to 1000 volts AC. The tester emits a beeping alert and flashes red when voltage is detected, while the green LED indicates operational status. The auto power-off feature helps conserve battery life, and its compact design with a pocket clip makes it easy to carry around. The build quality is impressive for its price point. Weighing just 22.68 grams, it's lightweight yet durable, with a 6.6-foot drop protection rating for added reliability. The tester is Cat 4 1000 volt rated, ensuring it meets high safety standards, making it suitable for both professional and home use. Performance-wise, it's straightforward and effective. Though it lacks advanced features like breakpoint detection or signal percentage indicators seen in higher-end models. The Klein Tools NCVT1P voltage tester is an unbeatable value at $19.97. Its pros include affordability, simplicity, and robust safety certifications, while its cons are limited advanced features. It's ideal for homeowners, DIYers, and entry-level electricians looking for a reliable, budget-friendly tool for everyday voltage testing tasks. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.